Welcome to today's video. In this video, I'm going to continue looking at fractions, and in today's video, I'm going to look at converting improper fractions to mixed fractions. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can convert improper fractions into mixed fractions. So watch this video up to the end as I'm going to demonstrate how to convert improper fractions into mixed fractions. Okay, so before I start converting improper fractions into mixed fractions, I want to highlight these steps that you need to take when you are converting improper fractions into mixed fractions. So the first step you need to do is when you're given an improper fraction and you ask to convert it into mixed fraction, the first thing you need to do is you need to divide the numerator by a denominator. That is the first thing. Once you divide the numerator by the denominator, the quotient you get will have a whole number and a remainder. You will have the complete number and the remainder. Okay, those are the numbers we're going to use to form a mixed fraction. Okay, so what do you do with the quotient which you get, which probably should have a whole number and a remainder? Okay, so what you do is first you get the whole number in the quotient becomes the whole number part of the fraction. So the whole number you get in the quotient will become the whole number of the fraction, of the mixed fraction you want to make. Okay, so it will become a whole number part of a mixed fraction. Once you have done that, then what do you do with the remainder? Then the remainder becomes the numerator of the fraction part. So when you have the mixed fraction, the whole number stands out alone. Then the mixed the remainder you remained with becomes the numerator of the fraction part of the mixed fraction. Then the last one is the denominator in the improper fraction becomes the denominator in the mixed fraction. So the same denominator the improper fraction was having will become the denominator in the mixed fraction. Okay, so these are the steps you take when you are converting improper fraction to mixed fractions. Okay, let me demonstrate by using these two examples. Okay. Okay, so these are the two fractions I'm going to use. These are the two improper fractions I'm going to use to demonstrate how you convert improper fractions into mixed fractions. So the first one is, first let's go to the instruction. The instruction is change the following improper fractions to mixed fractions. Okay, once you have done that and you have understood the instructions, it's very important to go through the instructions, because if we don't read the instructions, we won't know what to do. So the first question is 7/3. Okay, that is the improper fraction we're given, which is 7/3, and we are told to make it a mixed fraction. Now, when you go back to the steps, you find that the first step is to divide the numerator by a denominator. So we are going to divide 7 divided by 3. 7 is a numerator and 3 is a denominator. So we're going to divide 7 divided by 3. So when you divide 7 by 3, you are going to get 2, and then there will be a remainder which is 1. So you're going to get 2, remainder 1. So 3 cannot go into 1 because 1 is smaller, otherwise it will give us a decimal number as an answer. So we want to form a fraction, so we don't need a decimal number. So we're going to carry 1 as a remainder, just like that. So now, once we have done this, the next thing now we're going to go to step 2. Step 2, which is saying the whole number in the quotient becomes the number part of the whole number part of a mixed fraction. So the whole number in this quotient is 2. Okay, is 2, the one I've circled in yellow there. 2 is the whole number in this quotient we have gotten, which is 2 remainder 1. So 2 is going to become a whole number in the part of the mixed fraction. So I'm going to write 2 as a whole number like that. Once I've done that, I'm going to go to step 3, where it's saying the remainder becomes the numerator of the fraction part. So I'm going to write 1 as a numerator of the fraction. The one I'm talking about is the one I've circled in yellow there. It's the one I'm going to write as a numerator. So I'm going to write 1 like that. Once I've done that, then I'm going to write over. Then I'm going to find the denominator. Now, to find the denominator, I'll go to point number 4, which is saying the denominator in the improper fraction becomes the denominator in the mixed fraction. So the same denominator we have in the improper fraction will be the denominator there. So we're going to write 3 there. Okay, then that way we have now come up with a mixed fraction, or we have changed 7 over 3 to a mixed fraction, which is 2 1 over 3. Okay, 2 is a whole number, then we have got 1, which is a numerator, and 3, which is a denominator. So basically that's how you change improper fraction to mixed fractions. Okay, you viewers to pause this video and try to come up with a mixed fraction from the second improper fraction which we are given, which is 33 over 6. Okay, so I urge you to pause the video and solve this one. I'll take it that you paused the video and you solved this one. Now see how this one can also be solved, or how we can change this improper fraction into mixed fraction. So just like we said, we start by dividing the numerator by the denominator, which we are going to say 33 divided by 6, which will give us 33 divided by 6 will have 5, which is a whole number, and 3 as a remainder. So 6 will go 5 times into 33, and there will be a remainder of 3. Okay, once we have done that, then we are going to get 5, which is this one I've circled in yellow, which is going to become a whole number in a mixed fraction. So we're going to write 5 like that. Then once we have done that, we're going to pick this 3 to make it a numerator, because the instruction is the remainder becomes the what? The numerator of the fraction part. So 3 will become the numerator, then will be over, then we're going to get 6, the same denominator in the improper fraction will become the denominator in the mixed fraction. So we're going to get 6 and write it there. And then that is, now we have come up with a mixed fraction from the improper fraction which was given. So an improper fraction of 33 over 6 will give us a mixed fraction which is 5 3 over 6. So basically this is what you do when you are converting improper fraction to mixed fraction. If you have got questions, you can write them in the comment section. We'll be glad to respond to them. Otherwise, thank you so much for watching. It has been easy learning Z Mathematics. The future is bright. See you in the next video, and God bless you.